I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your PC meets requirements and you have admin rights. Download the live wallpaper application you chose. Wallpaper engine is simplest. Rainmeter gives customization. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow prompts. Make sure you enable required services and drivers if requested. You should close games or rendering apps first to avoid conflicts. After installation completes, launch the program so you can move directly into selecting and applying a wallpaper without delays. Now you pick the actual wallpaper and configure it. You can import a video, GIF, or HTML scene. Once imported, assign it to specific monitors and set native resolution for sharpness. Make sure to set performance mode, lower on laptops to save battery, higher on desktops for smooth motion. Configure audio reactive settings if you want sound synced effects, then cap FPS to reduce CPU/GPU strain. Once configured, preview the wallpaper and make small tweaks until the motion and layout look balanced. Finish by saving your profile and enabling auto start so the wallpaper applies at boot. Make sure the app has permission to run in background and isn't blocked by antivirus. If you see stuttering or high usage, reduce FPS, change performance mode, disable overlays like Steam or Discord, and update GPU drivers. If the app crashes, reinstall it, run as administrator, and test a simpler wallpaper to isolate issues. One key tip: check Event Viewer or the app log for error clues if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.